Mm-mm. Why is there no chat? I don't even see a chat. Okay. Okay, is it better now? Jesus, what did I do? Never changed anything. That's so weird. Why is it grainy? Huh. Okay. Well, all right, we're live. Okay, let's hope it works now. Let's hope it works now. Yeah, are we good? Oh my god, it's so much chaos. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? My god, I'm so confused. Is it live or not? I have no idea. Wait. Man, I broke it. I broke it. What did I do? Yeah, are we live now? Are we live? That's the question. We're live, right? Hello, test, test, test. I have no idea. Alright, we gotta focus up. We have to focus up here. Man, I hope everything is live without any issues. Yeah, I had to restart it, but we're live now, Juna, right? We're live. We're here, right? I exist. Because the quality was so weird. But yeah, I mean, we're live, hopefully. Alright, market is open. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Gonna look for a trade here probably on the RTY. Just need a good close here below this level. Okay, we're in. Just gonna try to take a little scalp here. I mean, it didn't close too strong. Might get stopped here instantly. Not the reaction we want to see. Yeah, everything else is pushing higher. Probably gonna get stopped here. Alright, we're stopped on this. Man, this is stressful with streaming on different platforms, etc. Alright, we're gonna switch over to the next account. Okay, might take this here on the ES. Alright, we're in on the ES. See if we get our couple points. Just being more aggressive and scalping these accounts. Okay, this worked. Let's switch back over to this account. My god, it's so stressful to change everything. Okay, going back to 54. Alrighty. I don't even know. Is it live? Is it not live? I have no idea. I have no idea. Hello, is anyone here? Can anyone see and hear me? Man, I gotta be here earlier next time. You had to be here earlier. I'm still going higher here. Man, I lost track of everything. I don't know if this is even live or it cut out. I have no idea. Jesus Christ. This is an emergency. Does anyone hear me? Can anyone hear me here? My God. Well, I thought if I come 15 minutes earlier, I might be able to set up everything without issues. But clearly not. Clearly not. Is it live? Okay, perfect. God bless. Finally. Alright, so we had 2 trades. Fortunately, the RTY one didn't win, but I mean, it was pretty aggressive. The bar didn't really close that good, so. We might get another entry. Still trading this one where we're down right now. Take one more setup. And then we will switch over to the other one. Well, I guess next time I have to be here like 30 minutes early. How's the quality now? Is everything good or what's going on? Where's the chat? Okay, here we go. Jesus. Alright, guys. I think now we're set up. Still gonna look for something here on Anywhere. Everything is good, okay. Man, that was so stressful. Yeah, June, I'm trying to stream on Twitter, like on X at the same time. But then I have to set up like 3 streams at the time, you know? I have to set up the YouTube short stream, I have to set up the normal stream and the Twitter stream, my God. I don't even know. Alrighty. I'd be happy to take another entry on the RTY here. If we get a setup. Hey Yash, how's it going? Good to see you. Man, I wanted to use the restroom before I start, but I guess that's cancelled for now. No restroom break. No restroom break for me. Okay, so this is the ES. I mean, I would also take something here on the ES. But yeah, this candle is not gonna close good. I think I need one of these, how do they call, like these stream decks, so I can just click a button with my finger and it's already set up to the right scene. Because if I have to do it myself manually, it actually takes a lot of time. Especially when you want to focus on your trading. Alright guys, but I think now we're good. Alright, yes. Let's go to the RGY. We're selling off here. Could be another setup. Just need a good close. There's also another level coming up here. See if we can break that. Okay, if we close below the level, I will take another short here. Okay, we're in. Place my stop and my target. Smaller stop, so we're gonna look for a smaller target as well. I mean, we had a loss here before in this account, so hopefully we get a nice clean trade here and make some of the money back. Just gonna move this a little bit lower. Okay, it's a good first reaction going straight into profit. The NQ and the ES are selling, they're ripping higher, so NQ and ES pushing higher. RTY pushing lower. We're like 1 point in profit here. Just slowly going lower. That's what we want to see. All right, that's a good close in profit. Getting closer to the target there. Take away. All right. Yeah, if I didn't take the first trade on this, it would have been nice. But it is what it is. All right, there's one more account we gotta trade, so let's switch over. Jesus, that was stressful, guys. Holy crap. I never trade anything else than MQ. Well, I like the other futures as well. Wow, what a hectic start. What a hectic start into the week. Jesus Christ. But yeah, now we're good to go. I think everything's set up. Tomorrow I will just have to be here a little bit earlier. All right, 56. Yeah, on this account, I like to trade the NQ. How's the quality now? Is everything good or is it blurry? Hope we are good. Right now we're looking for like a breakout on the upside. I would take another long here. Also, guys, what do you think about the new thumbnail, the new channel design, etc.? I think it looks pretty good. Okay, let's see. But yeah, not a bad day. I mean, we're down like $100 on this. We're up 220. Just need one more good setup on this account and we're good to go. Okay, let me move this. Yeah, tomorrow I will be here like 30 minutes before the market open. Yeah, that was stressful. My God. Hope you all are green on the day. Hope everything's going well. On Thursday, I'm not going to be live. I'm gonna take a day off. I mean, the banks are pretty much closed, so it's not really worth it trading. Hey, future trading, what's good? What's 56? Okay, good. 56, 56. How are you doing? How was your weekend? Yeah, we had we had 3 trades so far. We had 1 loser, 2 winners. So we're up a little bit. We have 1 more account to trade. Hope everything goes well on this. But yeah, did you guys see what I posted in the Discord? That I have to send them explanation of my trading. Like Apex want to see that. They want like the last 2 trading days, and today, tomorrow, and on Wednesday. I have to send them screenshots, explanations, everything. The whole setups. Always drama with Apex. Always drama. Alright, we're pushing higher here. Still looking for another long. But my god, this is ripping without me. What the hell? Yep, I mean, look, I'm 2 days in, and I mean, these accounts are up a lot. I mean, this one is up like 1900 in 2 days. And the other ones look pretty good as well. But they sent me an email like, oh, congrats, and make sure to send us like an explanation of how you trade, setups. I need to write on the chart, I need to mark my entries, etc. Everything. But we gotta do it. All right, we might take another long here. Okay, we're in. Yeah, on this account we're super aggressive. So used to trade 2 on this, 2 minis. Yeah, it was ripping without me, unfortunately. Should be good. Yeah, that's all right. Might move this a little bit closer. Might get stopped here. Need to see a push higher here with this candle. Otherwise it doesn't look good. See if we can get back into profit here. Doesn't look like it. Nope, I'm gonna get stopped here. Alright. Well, good that we got stopped out there. Looks like we're going lower. Let me get my little drink. I mean, it might bounce from this level here. I mean, let's look for a little reaction. See if we can get something. But yeah, this is the account I'm gonna sacrifice. This is the account where we trade really aggressive, and we're just looking for a couple hits. All right, let me get my drink. This is the one account I really tried to push over the threshold. Just tough if you start with a loss. Okay, getting closer to the target. Just missed us there. Oh my god. Damn, alright. Ah, come on. I should have set it high. I knew it. I knew it. Damn, what a move. But yeah, probably today we're gonna see a lot of volatility with all the stuff going on. Okay, we're still down like 10 points. All right, I mean, we're gonna chase it. We're here to chase the market today. The market chaser, that's me. Well, looks like we're gonna get burned. But yeah, we're looking for smaller targets, just trying to build up the drawdown, get out of the 2600 threshold. And we see such a burst and then it just dies down in the next candle. Just dies down. All right, just hit the TP and we're back to break even. Okay, getting closer. See if we get this last little push. Don't turn. Just looking for 10 points. This is not what we want to see here. Or we just move the stop loss completely, because I know I already broke a rule on this, so if I request a payout on this account, I'm gonna get denied anyways the first time. Not sure. It's holding, yeah. It better does. It better does. Nope, going lower again. All right, back into break even. Okay, I'm gonna move it a little bit now. Let's see if I'm too greedy or not. But we had this big spike and then the next candle, it was just so slow again. Okay, let's see if we can break this previous high. Gonna move my stop now. Let's see if we can get rewarded for chasing it. Usually never a good idea. Pop it, yeah. Rip it. There it is. Yeah. You said it. There it is. You just have to say it. You just have to say it. What platform? It's NinjaTrader. And this is NQ. You can see it in the... Oh, I don't know if you can see it. No, you can see it, but it's NQ. If you want to see full screen, just click on the link. It's in the pinned message. You can see the full screen. It's just a little short stream. All future trading, you said it. You just have to say it. Alrighty. I mean, we're 540 off to get out of the threshold on this one. We're up like 2,000 in 3 days. Not too bad. Not too bad. But yeah, I hope everyone else is green as well. Hope everyone else is green. Well, should have moved it higher, I guess, huh? Should have moved it higher. Do you trade with emotions? Yep. We're full in with emotions here. It's all or nothing for us. Yeah, I was holding pretty decently, that's right. And we're definitely uptrending. You just don't know. I mean, the weekend was pretty interesting with all the Middle Eastern stuff going on, so still going higher. But yeah, we gotta wait for a pullback now and then maybe another breakout. But yeah, we're all in here. What we do every day. It's either pay out or blow it. Still pushing. Well, there it goes without us. There it goes. But yeah, we're back in profit. That's the most important, so I take it. Yeah, also guys, on Twitter or X, I see you people there. If you want to come over, feel free to click on the link and join us on YouTube. Appreciate everyone who's tuning in. Right now we're trading 3 Apex accounts. We're done with these 2. And now we're just gonna use this one and sacrifice it. Trying to push it. My god, it still goes. Back to 200. I mean, it's not too far away, right? 40 points. And we just opened up. But yeah, can be pretty interesting today. I mean, the whole week. I don't know, what do you guys think? There's gonna be peace soon, or are they gonna continue fighting? Or what do you guys think? But yeah, future trading, you're still with Apex, right? Wait, I will show you what they send me. Where did I post it? Wait, let me show you. But yeah, I talked to someone else and he said he had the same email. So I don't know if they send it to everyone or just a certain amount of people. Yeah, we're just waiting for a pullback, so let me open this. Where did they send it? Oh, they rejected it. Well, I hope There's gonna be peace soon. I mean, it's always bad if someone gets hurt or injured or killed. Wait, let me set that up for you. But yeah, if someone lives down there, hope you're all well. War is always bad. Let me open this up. What do you mean it's wrong? Oh my god. Wait, I'm just trying to sign into Apex so I can show you the message that I got. Alright, so now I'm in. Here. I mean, I hope they don't mind if I show that, so. But whatever. Here, blah, 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 blah. Should have helped. Yeah, well, in hindsight is always easy, right? Blah, blah, blah. Here we go. This is what they want. Entry walls and signals, initial stop loss and take profit values. Number of contracts you plan to trade based on system stats and risk management. Whatever. Trade management and any trailing stop methods. Indicators used. Back testing time frame and win rate. I have no idea. I never back tested it. Any software, blah, blah, blah. Areas of trading, discipline, consistency, or trading mentality where you feel you have the most, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I don't care. Then chart markups. Please send screenshots of your most recent past 2 trading days for the next 3 trading days that you trade. Assure that they are consistent and aligned with your existing trading and days performance and size, blah, blah, blah. So basically I have to make a whole PDF file or like a whole movie out of my trading now. And I did this last year as well. Last year I had to record 3 days of me trading with like multiple cameras set up that I'm the one who's sitting in front of the desk. I'm the one who's trading, showing all my accounts, all my entries. I don't know, they're just weird. Super weird. Probably was watching you for a while. I mean, I didn't trade Apex for a while. You know, I just came back. It's day number 3 on these, you know? And I said, okay, you know, whatever, I'm just gonna push it. You know, I always struggle when I have trailing drawdown, so this time I'm just gonna push them out of the 2600, and that's what I did. Well, that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, that's why this account is up 2000 in 3 days. And the other accounts I just trade normally on the open. But yeah, what a rip here, my god. But yeah, I talked to someone else in another Discord and he got the same message. So, I don't know. That's why I'm surprised you didn't get anything. It's just, I mean, I record everything anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but it's just a lot of extra work later, so I don't like that. Yeah, we will see. Damn, what a push here. I mean, I was looking for a pullback, but this was definitely not good enough. The why you up 2000 in 3 days? Well, why not? I followed all the rules, so what's the issue? Told you guys a couple weeks ago, I want one more good payday with Apex and then I will never come back. There's so many better options right now to trade with. This is my last Apex run. Get some of my money back that I put in. I mean, I'm up big with Apex, that's the good part, but I still want to get one more good payout and then I will call it. No more Apex. I mean, this is so annoying. Like, just this extra work that I have to do now. And then there's other people, once you request a payout, they're going to ask you, okay, send us 5 more days where you do exactly the same. 5 more days where you mark up everything, where you explain everything, etc. But especially when you're scalping, like how do you explain that to them? You know, like if you follow momentum, you can see it on a screenshot that there was momentum coming in. So no idea. But yeah, I'll figure it out hopefully. I will figure it out. How's everyone else doing? Everyone else green? What a repair here. I mean, I want to still want to take some longs, but I have to wait for a better pullback. Also, if you still want to trade with Phidias, the sale, the 90% sale, is still going until the day is ending. So until market closes today, you still have time to use 90% code. Got into my first trade for the day. You short or long? I mean, I'm looking for longs, but need the pullback. Just need the pullback. Oh, you're trading gold, right? You told me. How's gold doing these days? Is it stable? Like it's easy to trade, or is it volatile? All right, we're pulling back. Pulling back. Let's see if we can get an entry here. Guys, I hope the quality is good on the stream. There's nothing grainy or blurry. Hope it looks good. And maybe pull back into this little area here and then another move. I think the 15-minute range, the opening range trade would have worked pretty good. Let's set this up. Oh, I would have been actually stopped out on the 15 minutes, but the re-entry would have worked. But yeah, this would have been a loss here actually. Call's okay, I think it's less volatile than that. Yeah, that's why I like the ES or RTY and the YM. They're all a little bit slower and less volatile than the NQ. That's what I like. But you still get good moves. Still get good moves. Yeah, we're getting a couple of red candles now. Now this is the part where I struggle the most when I should enter again. So I'm never sure if I enter here, okay, are we gonna pull back lower, or is that all a pullback we're gonna get? I mean, for the max payout, the maximum I can make to be in the 30% consistency, it's like, what was it, like 1400 something. Because if you want to take the $2,000 payout, you have to put the account to 4,100 in profit. So I think I calculated it was like 1,400 or even a little bit more. Let me check. And my biggest day was something with 1,400 or even less. I think even less. Oh no, the biggest day you can have is 1,230. 1,230. Let me check. And my biggest day was the first day. Okay, yeah. Actually, you have to make more because on the first day, I made 1,450. So I have to make like, I don't know, like 4,300 in profit to be in the 30% consistency. Well, I got a little bit of drawdown, but I never broke like the 30% negative rule, you know, like 30% against you. All right. Looks like we're going to take another long here. We had this little pullback, and that's a good close. I mean, just a small target. Small stop, small target. Actually going to move this a little bit higher. See if we go and push into this high again. A good pullback here, and then a good bullish candle. Okay, a couple points of profit. A good spike. I mean, we're looking for 10 points only. Okay, just got missed there. That's unfortunate. Just got missed by a tick. All right, another push. Right at our target. Okay, nice. There we go. There we go. Might still go higher, but I take it. I take it. Goal is to make 2,600 on this account, and then I can actually start holding the trades and trail it. It's so much easier once you stop caring about the accounts. It's so much easier. Yeah, pretty bullish today. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Like the more trades I take, the more I have to explain later why I took it. And I don't even know if they actually go through everything. Like the last year when I had this trouble that I have to send in videos of me trading to get my payout approved. I got approved even before I sent them in the videos. Like I recorded, I think 2 days and I needed 3. And then on the third day before I even sent it in, they already approved me. So I have no idea. No idea. I don't know if they're gonna put me on probation again. I mean, they just took me off like a couple weeks ago. No idea what they're gonna do. I mean, they never banned me from buying evals. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I don't know if we're gonna look for one more setup or we're gonna change to bull on ox now. What are we gonna do? I'm going with the trend. They're right. I mean, I showed you what they want. It's so detailed. Like they want everything. They want everything. They probably want a blood sample as well and a DNA test. What's the indicator you use in the chart? Do you mean the lines? This is just moving averages, but it doesn't really matter too much. That's just to confirm the trend. But if you look at it, especially from like a higher time frame, I think you can clearly see we're uptrending. But yeah, that's the only thing that I have on. Then these lines are just market support and resistance. But I can even tell you what the values are. Where is it? So the purple one is 120 and the steel cyan one is 40 in case you want to use it. But again, it doesn't really matter too much. But yeah, how far away are you from your payout future trading? Gonna be interesting to see once you request if they want any documentation. Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean. I just look at it, Juna, and you see there's momentum coming in and you just follow the trend and momentum. I mean, that's not, it's hard to explain, right? I mean, what am I going to tell them? What's your strategy in trading? I mean, on the open, I look for breakouts and like the first 5 1-minute candles, they usually have a lot of volatility and movement. And then I'm looking for some breakouts and following the trend. I think ban people who buy like 20 accounts and keep doing it after some. I never had 20 accounts. I mean, the highest accounts I had with Apex was 7. And this is where I had my best month. So I never get even close to 20. But I saw there's people getting banned and they're like completely new to Apex. They took like one payout and they're not even in profit, you know? Like they spend more on fees than they took out and they still got banned. I don't know, it's super weird. That's why I said, if we get these accounts to pay out, this is going to be my last Apex run, at least until they change again, until they're more normal. Because to be honest, who wants to deal with all of this, you know? How many trades did we take today? Like 6 or 5? And now I have to sit down and document everything later on why I took it. Like a whole file for everything. Plus also Friday and Thursday last week, I still have to do that. So, Jesus. Where are you from? I'm from Germany. What about you? Well, it's getting slower again, the market. Just one more good max payout from Apex and I'm done. That's all. It used to be so easy. If you look back, like last year, it was still fine until like August, September. And 2023, it was so different. Apex was so easy. 2600 in profit. Doesn't matter what you do. As long as you don't hedge, you're good. It doesn't matter what you do, and you just take out 2000. Oh, I can't talk. 2000. You're Spanish. Oh, hola, señor. Yo vivo 2 años pasado en México. So hablo un poco de español, pero solo un poco. Yo, oh, what's the word for it? Yo practicar con Duolingo. What kind of problem is this? Yeah, the good old Apex. We should go higher. Yeah, I mean, I just want to see a pullback first. Like, this was pretty nice. I mean, I'm pretty satisfied with this trade. It's what I was looking for. Told you before. Pullback lower into this area, and then a good candle. It worked out pretty good. But yeah, just slowly grinding higher here. Appreciate everyone who's tuning in, like always. I really appreciate you all. I don't know, what should we do? What should we do? One more or 2 more good trades and we're out of the drawdown, the trailing drawdown threshold. And then we can actually build the account. All right, yeah, well, you know what? Let's go and trade some evals. Let's do that. Let's do that. I mean, I can put this on screen for anyone who just tunes in. I mean, it's hard to do it, but well, let's just keep it out. Do you know Hindi? No, sorry, I do not speak Hindi. I do not speak Hindi. Okay, what account is that? 16. How does Hindi sound? Is it a mix between English and something else, or what is it? Still going higher. I mean, we still have to wait for pullback before we do something. I actually have a couple Indian followers. There's a couple of them. I mean, I don't know if he's Hindi. I mean, he's in the YouTube Shorts chat, and he said he's from Spain. He speaks Spanish, but he asked me if I know Hindi, so I don't know. Maybe it's an Indian who lives in Spain? No idea. No idea. There's so much resistance. I mean, it's still far away, right? The first thing I see. Oh, Mo, you in the wrong chat. Mo, come over. You in the wrong. Click on the link, Mo. Oh, no. It can't go up forever, right? True, it has to pull back at one point. It's got to pull back. But yeah, I mean, I'm looking at this area here for resistance, and this is like 200 points away, or like 120. That's right. Can't go up forever. Do you know Hindi? I don't know. Do you know Hindi? I don't know. मुझे हिंदी आती है. I agree. Well, when I started trading with stocks, like just when was it? Like 2018, my idea was stocks, they're always gonna go up, right? So whenever they went down, I just bought more. That was my strategy. That was my strategy. Because stocks, they always go higher, right? But they can only go higher. But yeah, it didn't work out too well because I was using a leverage, so it didn't work out too well. But yeah, guys, I have good news. I finally got my appointment for my visa interview. So hopefully by mid-July, I'm gonna be in the US again. Still like a month to go here. Well, I don't know, Mo. It's still going higher. I mean, it has to pull back at one point. It gotta pull back. It gotta pull back. What do we do? I'm also tempted to just go long. Then shorty more, you can't lose, right? I mean, we can always DCA a little bit, right? Well, a little DCA always gets the job done. I know a little bit of English, but the way you speak, I understand it better. When someone from another country speaks English, they talk too fast and it's not clear, but you speak clearly. I appreciate that. I'm trying my best. And you're good in both English and trading too. Maybe I'm good in English, but not in trading. I don't know. Not the best trader here. Not the best trader, my friend, but I appreciate it. But of course, it's not my fault. It's the market's fault. I'm just unlucky. The sim market makers, they after me. I never do anything wrong. It's always the market. Right? Never do it wrong. All right, pull back. Pull back. We want to go long. By the way, is the quality better now? Because I changed the bitrate a little bit. It should be a little bit better. I don't know why it was so grainy the first couple minutes. I mean, it's still grainy, right? Or not? The chart itself is clear. It's just my face cam is grainy. How do I fix that? How do I fix that? Come on, give us some pullbacks here, please. Look, Mo, I'm so proud of this. Look at this. 3 days in, up 2200. Not bad. Maybe finally a count I can push out of the threshold. Which chart is this? This is NQ, like the 1 minute NQ. And I'm using NinjaTrader. That's my platform. All right, market, and we're just going higher, huh? Is that what we're gonna do? I don't know, Mo. Should we go short? I don't know. I feel like I have to go long. Hate to say it. All right, let's do something you shouldn't do. We're just gonna chase the market. But yeah, this is just an eval account, so please do not freak out. Double short. Break even for the day? Okay, nice. I mean, break even is better than red, right? Good job, Josh. Yeah, see you tomorrow again. Appreciate you tuning in, like always. Let's see. Do you trade in crypto? Oh no, I don't do any crypto. I never had a crypto in my life. When COVID started, I wanted to buy Bitcoin, but I didn't do it because this wallet stuff, it was a bit too complicated for me, so I didn't do it. And then I missed out on some generational wealth. It is what it is. All right, market. Just go higher like you always do. Just go higher. I mean, we're looking for a couple points here. Just on an eval, so don't be worried. Generational. I mean, not generational, but good profit. No, it's easy. Well, not for me. I'm not the best with computers and all of that. I mean, I couldn't even set up my stream today. But yeah, the target here on this account is 500 because then we're just gonna hedge these accounts. One goes short, one goes long, and we're definitely gonna pass one. I mean, what's the Bitcoin price right now? What is it? I haven't looked in a while. It's like 70? Oh, it's 107,000. Oh, it's at the all-time high, right? Oh, almost. I mean, that's not bad. What was it again when COVID started? When did COVID start? Was it 2020? 2021? When did COVID start? What's your life timing? What do you mean my life timing? Like my time right now? All right, Kyle, I trust you. I didn't see your message, but you said NQ will burst up. Kyle, this one is on you. Iran asked Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and Oman to ask Trump to press Israel to agree to an immediate ceasefire. In return, Iran to offer flexibility. I mean, is he going to accept it? That's the other question, right? From losing the account to saving it almost. What did you do, Juna? What account? Is it the Phidias, Bullnox, My Fun and Futures? But yeah, for me, it's 4:33 p.m. 6 hours ahead of the East Coast. So. He means timing. Yeah, I don't get it. What does he mean with timing? What's my live timing? He means timing, not that timing, but timing. Kyle, I have no idea. Oh, when do you come live on YouTube? Aha, okay, now we're talking. Well, I try it at 9:15 a.m. Eastern, Monday to Friday. Sometimes I'm 5 minutes late, but usually 9:15 a.m. Eastern. And then we trade the funded accounts for the first maybe hour, and then we switch over to evals to make some progress there. And then on evals, I mean, we don't really care about stop loss, take profit, none of that. But yeah, so technically, that's what I try 15 minutes before the market opens. Drink some water. Well, we get a couple points of profit. I mean, it's never a good idea to go long right at the top, so. But yeah, if you're in the YouTube stream, make sure to click on the link. It's in the pinned message, and just come over to the normal stream so you can see the full screen. All right, market. I mean, looks like we're gonna get a pullback soon. And we can always add one more DCA a little bit. And we're just gonna move the stop out of the way. Oh, you cannot click on it? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, okay. Because look, let me show you. Like for me, I can click on it, but maybe it's because I'm on the desktop. But that's good to know. Thank you. Oh, I don't know how to fix it. I mean, you can click on my channel and then click on live stream and then go from there to the other stream. I thought you can click it even on mobile. Let me see, can I do it on my phone? I can do it on my phone. Are you on like a Android or Apple or? Oh, okay, now I see it. Yeah, because I can, definitely works for me. That could be different for everyone. Well, there's the pullback. Well, Mo, you were right. Should have shorted it. Should have shorted it. iPhone, okay. But yeah, now it works, right? Yeah, I'm still new to stream it in the short format, so still trying to figure everything out. How's the quality for you if you watch it on your phone? Is it acceptable or is it blurry sometimes? All right, let's add one here. All right, let's add one. Just don't have too much buffer room with two. But yeah, this is a good lesson where you never go long at the top. But yeah, if someone just tuned in, we're just on an eval right now. We're done with the Apex funded accounts for today. I think we're up on 2 accounts and we're down a little bit on another. Kyle, are you from the US or you're from another country? Okay, let's see if we can get our target here. I mean, it's just 12 points. Yeah, that's not what we want to see. If we go in profit and then we push lower, we're losing a lot of drawdown. Another, okay. How did you discover the stream? Hi Giant, how are you? Or Gian? That's a short for sure. Could be. I'm long, so it goes lower for you. Sacrificing myself for you, buddy. But yeah, you shouldn't go long right at the top, right? Mistakenly, okay. Well, I'm long for you guys, so you can get the short. This is Bitcoin? No, this is not Bitcoin. This is NQ. Don't trade Bitcoin. Look at the prior wicks. Well, it is what it is. Now I'm stuck. It is what it is. We either hit our target or we lose the account. But yeah, they're cheap accounts, so it doesn't matter too much. You don't trade in Bitcoin? No, I do not trade Bitcoin. It's NQ. NQ. Yeah, but slowly rolling over here. Does Apex only offer futures? Yeah. Yeah. Apex is only futures. Alright, Juno, appreciate you. Appreciate you. See you tomorrow. Hope you saved the account. You didn't lose it. I mean, I never traded like a prop firm with what's it called? Forex or anything. I always trade futures. But yeah, right now I wouldn't trade with Apex. Said it before, they're sending me weird emails that I have to explain all the trades that I take, have to mark it on the chart, have to give them like a whole explanation of my strategy, etc. So I don't know, not worth the stress right now. There's better options. What about the longer time frames? I mean, on the 15 minute looks pretty good. I mean, we're still uptrending, but I mean, at one point you just have to see a pullback, right? It's 15 and then 1 hour looks like this. I mean, pretty clean. You just never know, especially like in the current situation with all the wars, etc. You never know. But yeah, we're just trading in eval, so the worst case, we lose it. We had a pretty strong push here on the open. But yeah, if you watch the stream, make sure you never copy anything that I do. Just entertainment. Don't copy anything. What do you mean, Marcio? Is it Marcio or Marcio? How do I say it? Well, I'll get closer to our target. Okay, should hit it any second. Just testing the highs again. Oh, day and week. Okay. Oh, no, I see it. Well, Kyle, you're saving me today. You're helping me out. That's the daily. I mean, you don't really see anything. Never really used the daily before. Just straight up. And then 1 week. Doesn't even load. Okay, this is the weekly. I don't know if you see it good. But yeah, I never look at this, to be honest. The highest I look at is 15-minute and 1 hour sometimes. All right, hit our target here. Not too bad. But yeah, we just waited for a pullback here. So much easier. Oh, Uncle Mo is still in the chat. Uncle Mo. How was your weekend? Did you go camping or you stayed at home? It was super hot this weekend here. It was like in the 90s Fahrenheit. It was like 33 Celsius or something. Yeah, 33. It was super hot. $33, yeah, Celsius. It was super hot. I mean, remember like, when was it? Like a couple of years ago, we had one day in summer where it was like 38 in the city. It was like the hottest day in Germany for a long time. Have you ever read Albrook's Price Action? No, never. The only book I read was about trading, was Trading in the Zone. I prefer always be aligned with the weekly daily. Yeah, but what's your style? Like you holding for long term or like, I don't know, like from open to close, or is it more like scalping? Because for me, I mean, we always look for just a couple of ticks or a couple of points, so it doesn't really matter too much for me what the daily and weekly is doing. But I mean, everyone trades a little bit different. 47? Jesus. Are you from, where are you from? Italy? Spain? And even there, it can't be that hot, right? Damn, 47. Yeah, when we get like 33, 35 here, it's already way too hot because no one has AC in Germany. Oh, you're from Pakistan. Oh, okay, yeah, then it's different. Yeah, it's too hot. If you don't have AC, you're just cooked with 33 degrees. There's nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. All right, I would like to take one more trade and then I'm gonna get ready to work. Gotta go to work soon. Charting made easy, John Murphy. I'm gonna copy that. Is it a newer book or is it a little bit older? Oh, 2011. I'll have a look. I mean, I wanted to get back to reading again. So I appreciate that. Oh, it's a really small one, right? 84 pages. Pretty small. All right, we're slowly rolling over. Slowly rolling over. This little double top, if you want to call it this way. Maybe one more little scalp. Just some progress. Yeah, and then later on I have to sit down and write down everything that I did today for Apex so they can verify that. He's the best author. Never heard about him. But I will have a look. I mean, I appreciate it. It can only go down from here, right? I mean, you have a pretty good chance it's going to go down. Or up. You never know. I mean, maybe once we break this wick here, I'm going to look for a short. I mean, on an eval, it doesn't matter, so whatever. What's the current temperature? It's not too hot today. It's 25. I mean, it's 25, 28, 30. Yeah, and then next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, it gets 33 again. So that's pretty hot. Just remember, here no one has air conditioner, so it's a little bit different. The sun hits harder. Masterpiece technical analysis of financial markets. About 700 pages, my god. This is almost like the Bible. It's 33 and it's 8 p.m. for you. Well, it's 5, so. Hydro, good to see you. All right, we're gonna look for one more little scalp here. Just a little bit higher. But yeah, we don't use stop loss on this, so it either works or it doesn't. Just want to make some progress on these accounts. Perfect entry, yeah. The key for prop firm trading is to remove your stop loss. Always works. Yeah, don't copy anything that I do, please. Always do your own research. Let's hope we're not gonna get stuck here because I don't have too much time. Oh, right, here comes the short. Yeah, I would still add one more if we get the opportunity. I quit trading. Yeah, you have to be mentally pretty strong, that's right. That's probably the thing I struggle with the most as well. The last weeks, I mean, the whole year is going pretty bad so far. Last year, I felt like everything goes smooth. There's no issues. You know, always had a lot of winning streaks, but since December last year, it changed a lot for me. I don't know. All right, still holding. I mean, as long as we don't break this wick here, I think we're fine. But yeah, there's got to be a pullback at one point, so wouldn't be surprised. Well, the most important thing for me is I have to stop over trading my funded accounts. That's what I did the last couple months, and that's what caused a lot of issues. That's why now I set it up that I have my work scheduled like only like what is it, like 1.5, 2 hours after trading. So I have less time to sit in front of the computer and trade because I have meetings, and that prevents me from actually taking some trades. That's what I used to do in the past. I sat here for like 30 minutes and then that's it. It either worked or it didn't, but then I just go to work. But yeah, if you have too much time to sit in front of the screen, for me personally, that's not really good. All right, looks like we're gonna get our pullback here. Let's see if we can survive it. Okay, I'm gonna add one here. Don't have too much drawdown. Just exit? No, we don't exit. Our exit is the account being blown. So we do it here. I mean, that's a pretty cheap eval, you know. It's worth the risk for me. So many psychological traps to fall into. I think the biggest issue for me is when I'm on a winning streak and then out of sudden I have a loss again and then accepting it. That's the most difficult for me. Even if it's just a small loss, like you have a winning streak for like 2 weeks, win every single trade, and then you have this one trade where you lose like a medium amount of money. It's not too bad. You can easily recover with one good trade. But then just walking away and calling it a day is, I can't do it sometimes. How to learn trading from the beginning. I mean, there's a lot of free courses on YouTube that you can watch, but just don't buy a course and don't copy anyone else. Just try to watch like the basic tutorials on YouTube, then sit in front of the computer yourself and look at the chart and see how everything moves, how everything flows. But yeah, don't spend money on a course. No, I don't use volume. I don't use volume. No risk, no Ferrari. No, that's a Bullnox account. That's a Bullnox account. It was 1640 or something. It was 91% off. And oh, I mean, if you're talking about the balance, we made 480 on the first trade. But it's with the drawdown, you know, it's the drawdown is important. So we have $2,500 to work with. Yeah, most courses don't do it. Don't fall into this trap. People make more money with courses than actually trading. There's so much free stuff you can look up on YouTube. And most people just make the most money if they find something for themselves. Just sit in front of the computer and, like I said, spend a lot of hours and read the chart. Rohan. I said actually your real name, or do you just like Lord of the Rings? I never heard this as a name before. That's a nice name. But yeah, everyone is different. Everyone is different. Like me personally, I don't like back testing. I like forward testing, because if you back test, you always do it differently. You will never take the same trades when you back test if you compare it to forward testing. Because there's always emotions involved, there's movement, momentum, etc. I got closer to our target. It's about to roll over, so I hope we get out of it. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of backtesting, but I know a lot of people who do it and it works for them. That's what I say. Everyone is different. What works for me might not work for you, the other way around. But, all right. We're up 770 on this one. I mean, it's just an eval, so it doesn't really matter too much. But here are the 3 funded accounts that we traded today. So we're down $100 on this. We're up 200 and 300 on this. So not too bad overall, pretty solid day. But I'm gonna go and get ready for work now. So I really appreciate everyone who's tuning in. I will be back tomorrow 9:15 a.m. Eastern, 15 minutes before the market opens. So feel free to join again. Appreciate everyone. Uncle Mo, thanks for tuning in, like always. Appreciate you. All right, guys. Appreciate everyone. Appreciate you all. I hope you all are green on the day. Take care. Spend some time with your family and your loved ones. That's really important. And I will be back. I will be back tomorrow. Make sure if you want to watch the stream in full screen, I always post a link. Let me show you that. I always post a link in the pinned message. So just click on that and you can actually see the screen in full screen and see everything. Anyways, guys, SMC, what is that? Smart money something? I have no idea. I don't know what it is, but like how when low wicks invert direction, they tend to keep one more. Yeah, I mean, I see what you mean. I don't know. I will have a look at it. All right, guys, appreciate you. I will be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. Appreciate you all. Trade safe, spend time with your family, and take care, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace. Thanks for tuning in, like always. All right, peace out, guys. See you tomorrow.